Hello from Everyday Speech. We hope you and your family are healthy and doing well. Educators, we released a new unit related to COVID-19 and the struggles families may be having adapting to their new lifestyle. Many parents are facing new problems caring for children at home while also working from home. Your student might be showing significant work refusal, not following directions, or arguing with siblings. We can help your students learn to consider other people's perspectives, organize their time, and cooperate. The learning is fun, and our lessons, activities, and games can be a family activity. Our daily schedules help your student be independent with their time. Our goal posters can be printed out for home refrigerators, so social-emotional skills can become a family endeavor. Our curriculum adapts well to the home setting. View videos that are set in school and ask how that skill applies at home with the family. We are happy to partner with you in this unique time. Please reach out if there's anything we can help you with.